Hello, today I'm going to show you a quick unboxing of Logitech headphones. They are synced by KDA and powered by League of Legends. So take a look on the box, it looks like that from the front, edges. Here we got some kind of the spec. There's the KDA character, and at the bottom they look like that. Here you can find some kind of the serial number and other stuff. Okay, so let's go inside. I just made a fail when I tried to make it at the first time, so that's why it's just open. As you can see here, we got some kind of instruction, and let's take it off right now. Here we can find the second box. Okay, there's keep playing. So here we can find what we can find here. Probably some kind of the paperwork. Well, how I can open it? Okay, from the edge, this one, and I will be able right now to take it off. Okay, so as you can see here, we got cable. It's USB-C and USB-A cable. Here we can find the wireless adapter, probably. Yeah, it's for sure the adapter because they are wireless headphones. So there it is. Yeah, nice. And here we have the microphone, probably. Yeah, there's the microphone with some kind of the paperwork inside. And that's all from this box. And here we have our headphones. And they look really nice. Here we get the few buttons, the USB-C port, LED lights and displays, and here we can plug our microphone. And basically that's all. The last thing that we can find in the box is some kind of the color collection from Logitech and the paperwork, as you can see. Play your way. And here we got also the other products from the Logitech company. Okay, here is nothing interesting. Okay, so as you can see, guys, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.